Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about Esure insurance. Is this insurance good for your car or home or not? And what are the major problems of this insurance company? And what are the fees of cancellation your policies, and what are the things you need to keep in your mind before taking any kind of policy on this platform, okay? So first of all, if we talk about this brand or this platform is very popular. Like they are approx 27 years from now, and you can imagine the time period they are in this field from last 27 years. So you can imagine the review of their brand, okay? And you can also see like their reviews on Trustpilot. They have approx 65,000 4.3 ratings with the rating of 4.3. So you can imagine the service they are providing. So they are providing really good service. But if we talk about like some things that is some, you can like measure some concerns also, like some of their customers are not happy with their services, and we will also discuss about this thing. But first of all, if we are going to talk about like fees. So basically when you buy any insurance on their platform, they also have some, you can say, like a cancellation fees also, okay? So you need to pay some kind of fees if you want to cancel your insurance, if you want to cancel your policy. So you need to pay some fees. There is a fee. If you want to cancel your insurance within 14 days cooling period, then the fees is like 25 pound, 28 pound, depends on your insurance type. Like if you have flex car insurance, then the fees is little bit high. If you have car insurance, then the fees is little bit low. And but if you are going to cancel your insurance after cooling period of 14 days, then you need to pay lots of fees, like approx 50 to 60, in between 50 to 60 pounds, okay? So this is the first thing. And we talk about like the some other things, that is like you can say like some of the customers are not happy. Like some of them are complaining like they are not getting, you can say like claims of storm damage, and some of them are complaining like they are not getting support from their side. So I would like to request you, please check out their, you can say like negative reviews also. And after checking their all negative reviews, you can contact with the customer support team and you can ask like why they are getting these kind of negative reviews. And you can think like you can note down your, you can like problem also. If your problem is exist in this negative reviews, you can note down and you can ask, okay? But the best part is like their customer support, like customer support is very active. You can also see like they are contacting with their customers very actively, and they are replying their each and every customer. So this is also a good thing. Like each and everything is looking very good on this platform. This platform is looking like 100% legit. And the thing is only like subscription fees, or you can say like the cancellation fees. The cancellation fees is little bit high, we can say, okay? So this is the only thing. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. If you have any experience, you can also make a comment. I will reply very soon. And the company and insurance is really good, and their claim ratio is also really good, okay? So this is the information, this is the, we can say like information only. This is not a review, this is the information, okay, only, okay? So thanks for watching this video, my dear friends. Bye bye, take care.